Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is VeloWave electric bike. This e-bike equips with 48 volts 15Ah large capacity LG cells battery, which provides 4 hours fast charge. It covers a range of 25 to 50 plus miles per full charge. The battery is removable, hidden, waterproof and convenient to bring home or office for charging. 750 watts high-speed Bafang brushless motor provides electric bike max speed up to 28 miles per hour. 80 Newton-meters of torque is enough for your daily riding on all terrains, ensuring excellent riding experience off-road. Bafang motor is a top brand motor, which has longer using life and less maintenance. Electric bike provides 3 riding modes. Pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, classic bike mode. Max speed, 28 plus mile per hour by pedal, 20 miles per hour by throttle. Range, 25 to 50 plus miles by pedal, 35 plus miles by throttle. High-strength large hydraulic suspension front fork makes it easy for you to control off-road or terrain with huge drop. Dual hydraulic disc brake system enable the e-bike to stop quickly and smoothly even when riding at high speed, shortening the braking distance even on wet road. The most stable triangular frame design ensures that the frame of the electric bike is not easily deformed when subjected. Electric mountain bike equips with professional Shimano 7-speed shift gear, more precise and more sensitive. Easy operation LCD intelligent display, which you can operate 5 levels pedal assist and shows the speed, mileage, power of the ride. Kenda 26 by 4.0 inch fat tire electric bike for all terrains, wear resistant, excellent grip and slip resistance. Our second best electric bikes is EcoTric Cheetah electric bike. This e-bike has 500 watt brushless rear motor, provide powerful power to a bicycle, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 23 miles per hour. Battery: the removable 36 volts lithium cell with smart lithium battery charger. 26 by 4.0 fat tire and all-road fat tire, durable all-condition road. More than safe, balance, fast and stable for your cycling. 36 volts 12.5Ah removable lithium battery, 305 x 85 x 120 ABS plastic cell box. Battery lock and power lock function. Pedal assist mode: the motor will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bicycle. This is a powerful and cost-effective mountain e-bike. Pedal assist mode: the motor will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bicycle. Twist the throttle in any increments of power you desire to power the motor of the bicycle. Pedal the bicycle normally as you would any bicycle. Each bike comes with a 18 months warranty against manufacturing defects in materials or workmanship on its frame, battery, motor, controller, and display. Original batteries are warranted to be free from defects in material or workmanship for a period of 18 months from the date of purchase as follows: full replacement during the first 12 months, while replacements needed during months 13 to 24 are prorated as per this schedule. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Pasalek electric bike. The automotive hybrid technology, to achieve the perfect combination of power and physical fitness. Power fast drive, cutoff is also very sensitive. Through the torque sensor as the core of the triple sensor to perceive your power and the state of the vehicle. At the same time through the Bionics algorithm, high-speed calculation of your riding power and the required power to mobilize the motor in time to drive power drive. Fully enclosed waterproof and dustproof IP5. Maximum speed up to 25 to 28 miles per hour. Equipped with the 5 power assist level 1 to 5, supply the stronger and stronger power and respond at any time, to meet your every acceleration. Professional 8-speed shifter, full aluminum pro wheel crankset and chain, making the overall transmission system smooth and durable. Pasalek electric bicycle provides a 48 volts 13Ah large capacity battery, offers strong climbing and acceleration capabilities, assisted travel of up to 50 miles per charge. 8 charging protection provide rational management of lithium batteries to protect the battery safety and long service life. Anti-theft lock and waterproof mode, no worry for being stolen. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best electric bikes list is Yinji Boost Smuro electric bike. This Yinji Boost cycle motor will assist you with a moderate amount of power as you pedal the bicycle. In this mode you can drive 60 to 90 kilometers before you recharge. Fully electric mode. Twist the throttle in any increments of power you desire to power the motor of the bicycle. In his mode, it has 40 to 50 kilometers battery range. Manual mode that pedal the bicycle normally as you would any bicycle. 1000 watts brushless motor, equipped with 48 volts, 13Ah detachable lithium battery, so you can bring the battery to your home or office to recharge. Charging time, approximately 5 to 8 hours, 2000 cycles of charging, 1000 watts high-speed brushless and Shimano 21 speed gear motor can easily help you easy to ride at 25 miles per hour and distance up to 31 to 42 miles. Battery level display, mileage 5-speed display. You can have more choice for 5-speed mode than normal. The LCD display guarantees you can read your statistics easily. Easy to assemble and of high quality electric bicycle has been pre-installed 75%, made of light and strong 6061 aluminum alloy frame, light and strong, longer service life, better shock absorption effect, and it will bring you the best riding experience. It is equipped with headlights, aluminum suspension fork, FR disc brake. Our last pick is Myclon Cybertrack electric bike. The well-designed, high-strength front suspension fork can effectively absorb shocks during riding, help to better control the direction, and bring a more comfortable riding experience. No matter what the terrain is, you will feel less fatigue and enjoy smoother riding. 350 watts Bafang brushless motor generates great power with a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Bafang motor is one of the top-level e-bike motors, has higher output efficiency and requires less maintenance compared with other normal motors. Featured with a 3H fast charging function, this listed 36 volts 10.4Ah lithium-ion battery allows you to wait only a little charging time before starting the next journey. Its large capacity also ensures a long range of 30 to 37 miles. And the battery is removable and lockable, convenient to charge on/off the bike. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame for enhanced solidity and durability, anti-slip tires for a better grip on rainy days. The disc brakes provide greater stopping power, allowing for precise and instant braking even in wet weather. IPX4 water-resistant battery has no fear of light rain. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!